बॉम्बे में गार्डन होना
Yeah.
is a privilege.
It definitely is.
So this looks like a proper Maharani style hall.
Yeah.
Tell me everything. How much contribution you've had, and is this
Zero.
all your mom?
0.
Okay. After like a long day at work, at shoot, when you finally come home, which is like your chill zone.
My room.
Wow, this is straight out of Pinterest.
Yeah, it is.
It is such a cute, cozy vibe.
Yeah.
Totally different, actually. Your first luxury bag, do you remember?
Yes, of course.
Show that to us.
It's in a very bad halat now.
No problem.
Yeah. I've not even kept it properly. It was this.
Oh, this LV.
Yeah, it was this. She stuck all of these flowers in this.
Oh my.
So then she made it into something else only altogether. Hi, I'm Alsia Jafri and welcome home.
बॉम्बे में आपने फ्लैट्स तो बहुत सारे देखे होंगे, but such a huge and beautiful bungalow, well, that's rare. And so today we introduce you to Candid at Home, FPJ Showbiz brand new home tour based show where we get inside your favorite celebrity's house and see how they live their life when they are at their candid best. So come follow along. Hi, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Congratulations. So happy for you.
Come.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing us to your home. It is so pretty.
Thank you so much. That's
How
so
are
kind.
all your house choices so pretty? Because I've been to your
the
other house.
previous
Yeah, it is so
yeah.
pretty, and now this is also so beautiful.
That is really sweet of you.
No, but it
Because
is.
I don't know how to react to when someone says, "Oh, your house is very pretty." I'm like, okay.
How much contribution do you have?
A lot.
A lot. So then
A
you
lot.
should feel proud.
Yeah, but like only on my section of things.
Okay.
This whole thing here
Yeah.
is all my mother,
Oh,
obviously. She's a maximalist, and you can see that.
Yeah.
Because as soon as you go into my room, you will realize that
Oh.
everything dies down.
Wow. So there are like two vibes.
Oh, there are different vibes on every floor in this house. And especially with things, she's actually made some of the things herself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lovely. No, I know your mom's choice is fab, and I can actually see it
Yeah.
right now. But we'll start off from the garden because
Yeah.
I'm very intrigued. Bombay mein garden hona
Yeah.
is a privilege.
It definitely is.
Yeah.
There are no two
There's
ways
fresh
about it.
oxygen.
Yeah, I mean, that's the hope. But,
Okay, but
yeah.
you know, just give us a nice tour of the garden area, and
Yeah.
then we can come back inside. So tell me about the garden. It looks so refreshing.
I mean, so what we usually do is that we can open this up.
Wow.
And then that's where we four can sit and have breakfast. Or otherwise, we have the garden, which is straight from the entrance
Yeah.
of the house. But yeah, we prefer to like open this up, have our breakfast, coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
Because that's usually the time that we all kind of get to catch up before we head to our individual
Work, yeah.
or whatever we plan to do for the day.
But this is for family time then.
Yeah.
Lovely.
All our so this is like the most public area, like in terms of like even hosting like a guest for coffee and
Yeah.
all of that, meetings we can do here. Then we have a very private dining area where we don't host anyone. It's only us whenever
Okay.
we sit down to eat.
Sweet. You guys like eating together as a family
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot. I have
It's a
seen
must.
that. Yeah.
It's a must. We all have to eat at least one meal together.
So sweet. That is actually sweet. But we'll go straight to the garden area
Yes,
now.
let's go.
Wow. So do you chill here also?
Yeah.
Lovely.
So this is something that my dad actually brought home.
Okay.
It is
It is vintage.
Raj Kapoor Saab's.
Oh,
Like, I don't know if you saw the documentary
I
where they had the
did.
jhula.
Yes.
So this was a part of the jhula
Wow.
that when they were breaking down RK, they gifted to Dabuji gifted it to my dad.
So sweet.
So we try to keep it as it is
Yes.
without like too much,
Of course.
just to maintain what it was.
Wow.
So yeah, that's that. So
Fantastic.
we chill here
Yeah.
evenings, and clearly there is no this that we are shooting.
No
And my
problem.
gardener's at it.
That's how y'all are maintaining such a huge garden. But that is such a nice nook. What is that?
So my mom really loves her corners.
Huh.
So this is like probably if we're just hanging at night,
Yeah.
just chilling, nothing.
Correct.
That would be like if she's taking work calls while having coffee or lunch or whatever.
Wow.
That is somewhere where we can sit as a family just to hang, chill. So every corner makes no sense together.
Okay.
But yeah, she has her corners.
Lovely. You know that I love the entire vibe that there's, we'll just go a little towards that
Yeah.
side because I am really fascinated with the color scheme here. That is fully wooden.
Yeah.
This is such a pretty shade of green. I love it.
Yeah.
And then, of course, it blends so well with
So
all
a
the
lot of the
greenery.
stuff you see my mother hand paints when she's bored. She's a designer. She
Yeah,
has no
correct.
lena dena with interiors.
Yeah.
She's a fashion designer. But whenever she's like in the mood, she'll just pick up a brush and she'll start painting things.
Fantastic.
She's
Wow.
painted walls inside the house. She's made
Oh.
chandeliers inside the house.
I saw the black one looks so cool.
So there's one with flowers that she
Okay.
has made on her own.
Wow.
I remember when we selected the house, my room was ready because I had an interior person on board. And she's like, rubbish, I'm not going to do all this. I'm going to design my own house.
Yeah.
And I came back and I was like, what happened to this house? Where did so much come from?
Yeah.
And she's like, I was bored. So I said, lovely.
Amazing. No, it's so cool to have these little corners.
Yeah.
And that as you showed us from inside is the space where you all sometimes enjoy breakfast at.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I see a lot of jhulas here, one's here, one's here. Do you actually enjoy your time? Do you sit on
So
this
my
one?
mom has had a thing for jhulas since she was
Ah.
young because my Nana Nani's house had a jhula while she was growing up.
Yeah.
So while growing up, she always had a jhula.
Yeah.
So she, no matter which house, she's always wanted a jhula.
Wow.
And that's kind of meant a lot to me as well because growing up, I lived with my Nana Nani
Yes.
like a lot. More than I think I lived with my parents for sure. And my Nanu had this thing every morning where he would make me sit on his jhula and he would feed me breakfast and I wouldn't eat if I didn't sit on a jhula.
Oh my God.
So I think that mom and I have in
Yes,
common,
common.
where jhulas really are a thing in this family because there's one,
Yeah.
there's two.
And even the flower setups are so good. Even inside, I saw who picks these up.
So flowers again, I think I get it from my mother.
Yeah.
She loves her flowers, fresh flowers.
Correct.
And we feel like if we're hosting guests or even if like a normal day, we need
Yeah.
fresh flowers no matter what.
Lovely.
And I will weekly go from the market right outside.
Yes.
She picks her flowers, I pick mine. And we have our thing. We have only vases in this house for no rhyme or reason. Any good thing comes and we look at it and we feel like iska vase ban sakta hai kya? And we'll uthao it. Galwar.
Lovely. Chalo, we'll head inside or else
Yes.
we'll melt because
Oh,
Bombay
yes.
is so hot.
Yeah, and I just got a fresh blowout for
Yes.
this. So please, it should
it's
last.
looking amazing, but. So this looks like a proper Maharani style hall.
Yeah.
Tell me everything. How much contribution you've had, and is this
Zero.
all your mom?
0.
Okay.
I have done nothing when it comes to this space other than Kit Kit. That mom, please, enough. enough of the heras, enough of the flowers. And she's like, keep quiet. Please let me. Now I think she's realized herself कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. Flow में बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. But I mean, I love it because I know what she's done. Like each and everything in this house is made by her in ways that you can't imagine. Like for me, I'm somebody, I'll go to the store and pick what I want.
Yes.
I've always been that person. I can't do double mehnat. And
But
like
she's made it from like
even
something.
this,
Yeah.
it was something that came on Diwali, I think.
Okay.
Just 2 candle stands, and she stuck it, and then she stuck all of this and the
Wow.
fake flowers, and she made it into this.
It looks like a very nice showpiece, like a proper showpiece.
That is my mother. That is my mother for
But
you.
I love that corner, that huge mirror, and such a pretty chandelier. Tell me something about
So
that.
this mirror, actually, we had it even in the previous house.
house.
There's a lot of stuff that we brought from the previous house because my mom doesn't like throwing away things.
Yeah.
And then she painted it
Oh.
and all of that. Then this was a plain chandelier she bought, and eventually she was like not happy with it. Obviously, just a plain chandelier, no. So she went ahead and she just sits with her glue gun, and then you don't know what's gonna happen the next morning. And she stuck all of these flowers and this.
Oh my
So then she
God.
made it into something else only altogether.
But it's actually looking so pretty. I think the plain one wouldn't look this nice.
Then I don't think you're going to like my room. My room is very plain.
No, but I like both aesthetics because
Yeah.
in my house I have this constant fight. I kept everything minimalist and I live in Bombay. So when I go back to Delhi and I see my mom has added something of this sort only.
It's a mother thing, na?
It's a mother thing and you can't
कि
fight
उठा
them.
के कुछ चिपका
Yeah,
दो.
yeah. But you know, sometimes it looks, in the end, it looks nice.
It's grown on me. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
lie. Because like I was telling you, I came back from LA
Yeah.
and I walked in and I said, what have you done? And she's like,
Chill.
I'm your mother. Don't teach me. And then literally now, this is a place where I love to sit and chill with them.
Yeah.
Because also like my room is like 2 floors above.
Correct.
And climbing up and down, they feel like, listen, we love you, but like
Yeah.
not that much.
Correct.
So I'm the one who has to always come
Come
down.
down.
So this is my favorite space where I sit.
After like a long day at work, at shoot, when you finally come home, which is like your chill zone,
My room.
your room.
Like my father has this ongoing joke. Like sometimes when work is hectic, right?
Yeah.
And then finally I have my 2 days off or 3 days off. He will look at me and he will say, कभी तो शक्ल दिखा दिया करो. एक ही घर में रह के कैसे तुम दिखती नहीं हो? Because they're down,
Yeah.
I'm up.
Yeah.
And once I'm in my room, मतलब then the whole world could be falling apart. मैं मेरे room में हूँ. Like I don't even want to go out for anything. I'm that person.
But do you guys have this family rule? We had it growing up and I hated it that you can't sit on the sofa and eat.
My dad doesn't like it.
Okay.
My dad is like, मतलब तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है, डाइनिंग टेबल बनाया इसीलिए कि तुम उस पे बैठ के खाना खाओ, तो ये क्या करते हो तुम लोग? ना सही से बैठ पाते हो, ना पोस्चर सही है, और गिराओगे अलग.
Yeah.
Me and my mother, हम वैसे ही किसी की नहीं सुनते.
But
Like
do
the-
you like chill here? Also
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
we
hall?
eat also.
Come, we'll sit for a second here.
We eat also over here because my mom doesn't listen to anyone, and then I have the power of saying, "Mummy ko bolo."
Nice, nice. But tell me something, when you host your friends, where do you likely, you know, either outside here, where do you chill the most?
So I'll be very honest. I don't host friends here
Oh, okay.
because the whole idea of coming to live here was to make it into a family home. Keep work away, our social lives out of it. Because over the years, we have moved in the sense that I was in LA for a bit.
Correct.
Then Nani was sick for a very long time, and I'm very close to my Nani.
Yeah.
So I lived with her for a couple of years straight. So it came to a place where I was like I've lived with my Nani in Bandra
Yeah.
most of her life after my grandfather passed away because she's got cancer and she's not been well, and she doesn't listen to anyone but me. Like she literally says, I don't want my children also. As long as Alfia is here, I'm okay. So for years I lived with her, and then my parents came to a place where they were like, even we're turning old, like we're getting old and we want to be able to, you know, that's when we decided that this home is going to be more of a place where all of us are constantly together,
Correct.
where we give each other all the time we have. It's very peaceful. We don't like mixing a lot of energies from outside and, like, people coming in. So neither do my parents actually. It was my decision to not have a lot of, like, obviously my best friend and all come home, we
Correct.
chill. But like how it would have been earlier, where I would host like once in a while, like a dinner or a party. No, I don't do that in this house at all. Neither does my mother.
You know, I recently saw your reel of your nanny's voice note. It was so sweet.
Yeah.
And it made me almost miss my dadi. We lived with her all our lives, and of course, she's no more, unfortunately. But
I'm so sorry.
no problem. But when I heard that voice note, it was such a nani dadi feeling, because
Yeah.
that's how they are. You know, they'll make you feel that whatever happens, we're there for you, and just don't stress in life. And that is what it said. How much of that support means to you?
Oh, I'm nothing without my nanny's support. You know how you end up talking to your best friend for 2 hours? Now it's very new for her that I have moved here.
Yeah.
And initially I promised her that I'll do 2 days, but वो नहीं हो पाता. Either you're here or you're there.
Yes.
And it just, I feel very guilty to leave her alone now, especially because not like she needs me. Let me be very honest, I need her because she has a bunch of friends. She has a kitty every week.
Wow.
She does not give a shit about the world,
Yeah.
about anything. Before entering all of her cancer surgeries, she does like a Bollywood song and she's like, this is what you will remember if. And she's had cancer about 6 times now. So I just feel like without her, I don't know, like, I can show you right now. She is so worried about me because I don't talk to anybody about my life, right? It is Yukta and my nanny. Literally, these two are the only ones who know everything that's going on, good, bad, ugly.
Wow.
And like my nanny was messaging me this morning also. She'll message me at 2 a.m. saying, are you awake? Listen, I'm praying for you. I love you. Like, she's always there. Like, she, even when like I get overwhelmed and all of that, she'll tell me, just come back. Just come back to me.
So sweet.
There's nothing in this world that I can do. Like I said it on my show actually. Even if I killed someone, she's always told me,
That was quite emotional. She's a warrior, you know, because
Oh,
you,
she
you
is.
said 6 times. So I lost my dadi to cancer, so I know what it feels like. But you know, has she seen this space?
yeah,
How did she like it?
she didn't like it.
Wow.
There's
I
no
love your
filter.
family.
There's no filter.
Yeah.
She's like, itna sara? I was like, bol mat dena mummy ko. Because all of us are scared of my mother.
Yeah.
Even my nanny's scared of my mother.
Wow.
My mother, matlab, chew mein cha you can't do with
But
her.
no, she looks like she would not do anything. Like she looks like such a sweet mama.
She's a sweet mama for
Yeah.
sure. If you don't get her approval on certain things,
Wow.
the eyes are enough. Like she's not gonna whack you. She's not
Yeah.
gonna even shout at you.
Yeah.
It's just those eyes. Like literally, when she gives you those eyes, you'll feel your soul kind of leave
Wow.
and come back. So it's that scary. And my nanny's scared. My father's scared. We're all scared.
Wow. On that note, we'll just go up now because I
yeah.
am waiting. You have told it's a different vibe. Your room is
Oh
completely
yeah.
different.
You will feel like two different worlds altogether.
Chalo, we'll go up. This is, wow. This is straight out of Pinterest.
Yeah, it is.
It is such a cute, cozy vibe.
Yeah,
Totally different, actually.
I told you.
But
Poles
I
apart.
love how clean it is. Is it usually this clean?
Yeah, always.
Wow.
I
I thought
have
you'd
a-
say I did it for you guys.
No, I need everything to look exactly like this. Spick and
Wow.
span every day.
It looks like no one lives here. It's so clean.
Yeah, no, it's
Wow.
very important.
Are you also a candle fan?
Oh yeah, I have that drawer over there is filled with only candles.
Wow. Let's start with this corner.
Yeah.
There's a very cute throw here,
Yeah.
and there's a window. So what is this, like a small seating area?
Small seating area. I can sit. This opens up.
Oh, wow.
So I get good sunlight here.
Amazing.
That was one of the biggest reasons I took this room, because of the sunlight. So there's good sunlight, greenery. I sit here, scroll on my phone, chill, take calls. Like to be here in the mornings.
Wow. I can see your latest award.
Yeah.
How was that night?
That night was fun. I mean, I've never. It was a sweet thing. I mean, I didn't think I would receive an award like this. And I did, and it's kept right where I wake up.
Yes.
First thing I should remember that I've gotten one. I have to get many more home now.
Wow. What essentials do you keep in your side drawers? There are two here.
Yeah.
There's one here, one there.
That's filled with candles.
Yeah. This is filled with candles.
Candles. Only
Oh,
candles.
wow.
You want to see?
Yes, I'd love to. Oh my god.
So
there are
right now
some
kind
too
of
many.
low on the candles.
Yeah.
But we have three. Hey, what the hell? Three.
Yeah.
But these are Christmas vibes. So
Okay.
we're not removing these right now. And then also I'm obsessed with anything with Mogra, Ratrani,
Yeah.
that kind of scent. So I also get fresh gajra sometimes, not ऐसे पर अगर कहीं अच्छा सच्ची में दिख जाए, then I have a small katori.
Okay.
उसमें I put the gajra and pani and I leave it on my bedside and my whole room smells.
like that.
Everybody tries to figure out what I wear. It's the mogra and all of that around me
Yeah.
that smells so good on me.
Wow. But you are a big mirror fan, no?
Yeah. This
I
is
love
actually
this mirror. Where is this from?
IKEA.
Oh.
Yeah.
But did you get it colored?
No.
The frames? It
No.
came like this.
So this was the first thing I ever bought
Yeah.
after I made money on Tribe
Oh.
at my nani's house.
Acha.
Because I was like, I need a nice mirror when I get ready and go out now.
Yeah.
So that's why this mirror is a little like that. So I've kept it.
Nice.
And I keep it very saaf suthra, अच्छे से.
Yes, it is fully clean. Nice. Do you are you a side sleeper or are you a middle sleeper? Side. Which side do you prefer? That one.
Yeah. Also, like I can't, some people sleep very peacefully like this.
Yeah.
I'm scared of those people. I'm literally people who can just
Yeah.
lay like this and just be like, how?
Yeah.
Like I'll twist, I'll
True,
turn,
true,
I'll turn
true.
into a snake, and then I'll eventually get my comfortable position. And then
It's
For
so
honestly,
difficult to figure it out
it's
sometimes.
impossible.
I know. Even I'm scared of those people who sleep like this. And
Yeah.
they'll wake up also like this.
how?
Alfia, tell me something about this. Taken me into the nature wallpaper. It is
Yeah.
so pretty. Plus, it has that foresty vibe.
Yeah.
How did you pick this up?
So Shabrin, I told her the vibe I had,
Yeah.
and she sent me a couple of options from Life in Colors.
Okay.
And honestly, I recommend these people to everyone because they've done such a good job. It's been so long. मतलब इस पे मेरे को बिल्कुल भी होता है ना मेंटेनेंस वॉलपेपर का एक बार भी नहीं लगा है. It's been so long. And they're really easy going people to work with. No stress, no drama. And I mean, look at the outcome. Like everybody who walks into this room, the first thing they want to know is wallpaper कहाँ से है.
True.
You know?
Wow. What about these hanging lights?
Oh,
Both sides have one.
So, in Bandra, there's this place called Badi Masjid.
हाँ.
Okay, वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे वो लकी रेस्टोरेंट वो सब है ना.
Correct.
उसके ऑपोजिट there's this छोटी सी दुकान जो
अच्छा.
आपको हाथ से केन से चीजें बना के देते हैं.
Wow.
So I bought these two lights and ये तो पहले ही खरीदा था दोनों. So I bought these from there, very inexpensive. Like I got it for 1,000 rupees each.
Wow.
And they really look quite aesthetic.
Yes, they don't look of 1,000 rupees at all. You sure know how
दिमाग-
to shop. Yeah.
दिमाग-
You told me वो 300 की चप्पल I'm sold.
Yeah. Seriously, I wish I
Yeah.
knew how to promote this guy. हाथ से बनाता है and it's so
Yeah,
comfortable.
It's looking so delicate.
Yeah.
Wow.
मतलब the cushioning and all is very nice.
And what is that chotu table there?
So this, ideally the plan was to make a coffee corner.
Okay.
Then Asma said no. She's like, I will make your coffee because I bought a machine and pods, everything. She's like, no. मैं हाथ से फेंट के जो कॉफी देती हूँ वही दूंगी, ये हटाओ. So it's still there, the coffee machine, but then this table was there. I was like, काम आ जाएगा. I ordered it on Amazon.
Yeah.
And it came in like pieces.
Okay.
And I thought I'll build it.
Wow.
So I thought, अरे कितना talent है मुझ में. Cut to. I built it.
Yeah.
Almost a year it's standing. Okay.
Oh.
And the norms are ulta.
Yeah.
But at least I built it.
Of course.
It's standing. It looks
yours.
cute.
Yeah. Nice. Lovely.
Yeah, that's it. That's my home.
But I can see something that is every girl's dream. A closet inside your room. Isn't that like...
It was my dream too. I'm not
Yeah.
going to be like, uh-huh.
Correct.
No,
It
no.
is every little girl's dream.
It was a balcony. And my only thing to my parents was, please मुझे ये करने दो. And so, by the way, all of this has been designed by a lovely interior designer,
Okay.
Shabrin.
Okay.
And I told her, I said, कुछ भी करो. Because this was not possible.
Yeah.
I said, कुछ भी करो. She's like, अंदर AC की जगह नहीं है. I said, मैं पंखे में ready हो जाऊंगी. मुझे मेरा closet चाहिए. And then we came and we finally managed to do this.
Wow. Okay, can we come inside?
Yes.
Lovely. Wow. It's quite, it's not like too small also. It's
No,
proper
I do
space.
my glam here.
Yeah.
The team fits in. They do my hair, makeup, everything here.
And are these all your clothes?
All.
Or do you have some clothes hidden somewhere?
No. Bas.
Then you're not like a hoarder.
Mm.
Nice.
Bas. And some of my pieces are so old. Like I have some stuff that I've been wearing since school.
Acha. Honestly, I'm not saying this for camera, but I love your personal fashion. I told you about this also. The sari you wore recently, I really liked it.
Thank
But
you.
you put these pieces together yourself.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Mm.
What is your most comforting personal style?
Sure. Give me a place like where
We're going for a brunch with your girls.
Okay. Loose shirt,
Yeah.
jeans,
Okay.
boots. I'm done.
Nice.
Hair tied up.
Yeah.
And a big tote bag.
And you have several nice bags, which is your first luxury bag. Do you remember?
Yes, of course.
Show that to us.
So let me tell you,
Yeah.
in this house, since a very young age, I had told my family that everything that I want, I will buy for myself. So my dad has never gifted me any luxury bags or chappals or anything.
That's such a nice thing.
And I always knew कि खरीदूं तो guilt ना हो.
हाँ, of course.
कि यार माँ बाप के पैसों को आग लगा दिया. So I'm that child.
Yeah.
And I'm also someone like what I'm wearing, mom made. These chappals, there's this guy who is friends with Asma.
Okay.
My help.
Yes.
He makes the most beautiful and the most
Wow, that's really
comfortable
nice.
chappals in 300 rupees. So you will see me like this.
Okay.
My mom went to Bhopal. Dad's basically from Bhopal.
Yeah.
We bought these. She bought me like a big box of churis.
Wow.
That I love.
Yeah.
When they get for me. When it comes to all this, my first bag. It's in a very bad halat now.
No problem.
Yeah. I've not even kept it properly. It was this.
Oh, this LV.
Yeah. It was this.
Wow.
But इसका हालत अभी कुछ ज़्यादा ही खराब हो गया है, see ना.
Yeah, it's coming off. But when, what year did you buy this?
See, I'm bad with years, but I'll tell you, I must have been 19, 20.
Wow.
20.
So this was your first luxury bag.
First.
And which is your most used one that you just love?
This
one. That's why it's outside.
it's rug road, like I don't know, matlab, I take it anywhere. Then I bought this. This is one of those pieces which, honestly, I don't know what I was thinking buying a white bag. Because it's hand painted.
Yeah.
And you can't wash it or anything.
Correct.
And Pandey ji
Oh my God.
spilled something here.
Ouch.
And now I can't get rid of it. Because every time I try to clean it,
Yeah.
the paint is coming off because it's hand painted.
That's painful to watch.
It is.
Okay. But what is your favorite luxury brand in bags?
You know what I've realized now? I buy a lot of stuff. Some of which is kept in my mother's closet. because I don't like bharawa sab
Yeah,
kuch.
yeah, yeah.
I've realized I don't enjoy it that much. It was
Yeah.
just that naya paise ka chul.
Yes. To just see that I can do it for myself.
Yeah.
And your glam before any event happens here.
Yeah, everything happens here.
Wow. Everything is so well organized. I love how organized you are. Wow. What is that mini thing? It's a fridge.
It's a fridge.
Okay.
I'd gone for an event
Hmm.
and they gifted the fridge to me and the brand.
Yeah.
I never removed it also. And inside I keep all my stuff stored and cold.
Oh.
It's something like, yeah.
Okay.
These
Your
are all
masks and all.
these are all the pimple patches.
Hmm.
This one Red Bull. Then yeah, like eyes, face, more organic kind of stuff. So it's all always like in proper compartments. Everything with me goes in the right place.
Nice. But are you like an overspender?
No.
No, you don't spend on clothes, shoes, bags,
No.
not.
I spend a lot on experiences.
Wow.
More than I should.
That's the best thing.
I don't mind going somewhere and spending an X amount
Yeah.
outside, probably like a nice place with my friends or family or whoever. I don't mind spending a lot over there. Because a lot of people say, अरे तू बाहर गई तूने इतने खर्च कर दिए इससे अच्छा तो तू ये खरीद लेती गोल्ड खरीद लेती and I'm like no मुझे इन चीजों का ज्यादा शौक है
Correct.
I come back feeling better because I've bought so
Nice.
many bags it doesn't do it for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Like on my birthday I gifted myself randomly 2 bags. मतलब कोई नहीं देता कुछ नहीं करता कोई खुद ही कर लो. And then I've literally not even opened the box. Today like Asma has done little putting it together so I've realized that samne and I've not even opened it.
My God. But you spoke about this corner. We'll just have a quick chat here. We'll sit and have a quick chat because, of course, I can sit on this. Right?
Yes.
It's so prim and proper. Your room full white. I'm scared I'll make it.
Oh, my
dirty.
brother is going to be very jealous of you. I don't let
Yeah.
him sit on
Oh my
in
God.
any part of this. He's like, मैं बैठ जाऊँ?
Typical sibling thing. But as much as I think it is a lovely experience to live with your family, do you ever feel like having your own house?
This is somewhat of my own space.
Yeah.
Like you've come up and down,
हाँ.
you've realized that
Correct.
it's like पूरा अपना अलग floor ही है ना basically. And I feel like I've stayed away from my parents. Taking care of Nani, I stayed away for very long. My Nani's house was basically like a bachelor pad. Come in and go wherever, like nobody's asking you anything.
Correct.
So that was the whole life of like independence, doing your own thing. Nani never really cared for like curfews and these things. It's very new to me at this age now. Like, my parents are like, oh, where are you going?
Yeah.
What time will you be home? And I'm not used to all of
Yeah.
that. So I feel like I've lived both. Also, I've done completely alone in LA. So I feel like I have that balance and I have the privilege to choose the life I want even tomorrow. Like tomorrow, if I get overwhelmed, I can go back to Nani. And it, I feel like that's the biggest blessing when you have so many homes that love you. Tomorrow, I can feel like I'm done with this city. And I just have to pick up the phone with Hardik and be like, Hardik. He'll be like, Aja. He's like family. He's my brother. He's seriously like the older brother I don't have. It's him. Like my parents would never allow me to travel with any girl. I've never been allowed for a stay over.
Yeah.
But the minute it's Hardik and he'll talk to my mom, my mother's like, ja. And I'll be like, मैं एक हफ्ते में वापस आ जाऊँगा. My mother's like, whoa, Hardik's not sending you back in a week.
But you've lived away. You have lived with family. You've lived alone. You've lived in LA. You've had multiple homes. Even your Nani's home is your home. What is your definition of home? How does it make you feel?
I just feel like one day I want to have my home. Something that I can call mine. These are the homes that welcome me and love me, right? I eventually, hopefully, in a year, I know it's very ambitious of me, but in a year, I will want, like that's why I tell Yukta all the time, Yukta, this year, my home. And that feeling is just something else. when I was doing up this space, is to always say, जब मेरा घर होगा, and my mother and father is like, it's your house only. What are you talking rubbish? And I'm like, I don't know how to explain that feeling. You know?
I know that feeling.
Yeah.
You have, of course, this is your house, but having a house that you've earned from your own mehnat ka paisa,
Yeah.
that hits different.
Yeah. And I want to buy a house like with no loans on it.
So sweet, yeah. I hope, fingers crossed. This is a year of manifestations.
Yeah.
So maybe this happens for you. But
Yeah.
lastly, of course, before we wrap this, the show is called Candid at Home. So when you are at your candid best at home, what do you do?
In that bed, on my iPad,
Yeah.
watching some garbage, like absolute garbage, some different language only I'll be watching, just like brainless content, or my comfort shows. I'll tell you, Gilmore Girls,
Okay.
2.5 Men. A lot of girls don't actually
Don't,
yeah, but I love 2.5
Yeah.
Men. Friends.
Okay, yeah, friends.
That'll
Comfort
just
show.
keep playing. I'll do my thing. No noise, no talking on the phone. That's just me. Like, people know that once she's home, ab pata nahi when we'll hear from her. And nobody gets offended कि ये phone नहीं उठाती या whatever. People are used to it now.
Wow. But on that note, thank you so much, Alfia,
Thank
for
you.
opening not only the doors of your house but welcoming us with so much warmth. We have eaten so much downstairs, we couldn't show you guys that. Whenever I come to her house, auntie and she feed me like I am a hungry soul who hasn't eaten.
Not at
But
all.
yeah, no, but like they are so sweet and so
Of
warm.
course.
And you know, I just hope you do all the big things in life because you're meant for that, truly.
Thanks. It means a lot, especially at this point.
I know.
And I hope that we keep doing this.
Absolutely.
More
We
often.
will.
We find
We
more
will.
excuses
Yes.
to see each other.
See each other. I know. But thank you.
No, thank you, Sachin, for coming over and doing this and making me feel like my house is thoda acha
Arey, it is
for you guys
amazing.
to come.